strong. Like strong is like when you when you hurt and then you keep your head up. Like that's strong.
Okay. Yeah, where you keep fighting, right? Where you don't give up. Okay, got it.
Mentally strong.
Absolutely. Absolutely. See, somebody y'all breaking stuff and y'all hitting me. That was you breaking stuff?
My bad.
Yeah, it's all good. I know you ain't doing it on purpose. Go ahead. Yeah. I was just saying, you know, why would you or would you want your sister or relative or somebody, a female in your family, to date someone like you? And so what I'm trying to get you to look at is like the beginning of becoming a man is being honest with yourself. Because we have expectations about other people and how they should treat us. And very few times do we consider how we treat other people. Because some of us can act like we're one thing, but we really know that what people don't see, that we can be somebody totally different. And so being manipulative and being slick, that only lasts for a second. And if we're talking about being this man that we're talking about, that's about being honest. Right? That's about being all of the characteristics that you guys say being a man is. Here to here.
Yes, because I'm a good athlete.
Yep. Okay.
I'm hardworking.
And you're hardworking.
I would say yes because we would get along real good, and I would know his next move.
You get along next well. You say it again. You'll get along really well, and what?
And I would know his next move.
How would you know his next move?
Just like us.
But knowing the next move, what does that mean?
Or like so like I would be good. Or good. No.
No, man, go ahead. You good, bro. I just want you guys. You have to learn. You have to grow in the place of being able to articulate and stand behind whatever your thought is. Don't just say something to say it, right? I mean, you want to say something to be able to stand 10 toes down on whatever you stand for. So if I'm saying, like, yeah, she can date somebody like me, she should be able to date somebody like me because I'm this. Because I'm this. And I'm that.
And hit him with the ooh yeah.
And the ooh yeah? Whatever the ooh yeah, that sounds good. So I add a little bit of ooh yeah to mine too. Right?
I would say I would because I would be good. Well, he would be good for him because I'm loyal and caring.
There you go. Right? You can speak to what you are. What I told them, whenever I go to schools and speak, I tell them, don't bring me children that are bad, right? Hear me out when I say this. My point is when I come in, I say, send me people that will benefit from my message. And I don't want individuals who's just getting in trouble. I want students that have potential, people that are thriving, people that have some challenges. So I want a plethora of different people in the room. So they don't tell me anything about you guys. I tell them I don't want to know anything because I want my own judgment, right? Because I don't want them to send me in a room and they say, hey, you got to watch out for the guy who wears the yellow shirt and the one who wears the Nike Tech. You got to watch out for him. And then you got to watch out for Antonio because he does. I don't do that, right? And so my thing is just send me who they think that will benefit from us spending time together. So yeah, so to answer your question, I don't know how they selected. I know I told them what I wanted. And I'm glad who I have in the room with me, and I asked them to keep it small, right, for these times that we do have with one another. But the biggest thing is, man, is like, listen, I drive away from Flint, my buddy and I, again, like I told you before, man, because I want to, not because I have to, right? I mean, I do it because I have a whole business doing a lot of this stuff, and my thing is that I just want to give back because I know at one point I was you.